everyone, welcome back to WsCube. In our today's session, we will be solving problems related to the strings. In the last three sessions, we have discussed what are the different list functions that we have, and today we will be starting to solve problem based on those list functions. Before that, if you want to become a successful data analyst and if you want to learn from our experts live, then you can call on the given number or you can fill the form that is provided in our description. Not just that, with our every batch, you will be getting 2 demo classes for free. So let's get started. And here we have our question. We have a string over here and we have to apply different methods to it. The first method says to write a program to find the length of the following string. So let's take this string and use it in Python and find it. So guys, I have taken this string over here. We have a is equals to y fit in when you're born to stand out. We have a very nice quotation over here. All we need to do is our first method says, our first question over here says to find the length of the string. We know that to find the length of a string, we have a very simple method in string functions. We have length method. So all we need to do is write print len of a, and if I run this, I will get the output as 43. That means the length of this string is 43. There are total 43 characters in this strings along with the spaces. Now our second part of this question says to write a program to check how many times alphabet O is occurring. So we will be checking over here how many times alphabet O is occurring. To find how many times alphabet O is occurring, we will be using the count method in our string functions. So I'll be writing print capital A dot count. What we need to count? We need to count O, that how many times alphabet O. We are talking about small o is occurring over here, and as soon as I run it, I'll get the output that 3 times alphabet small o is occurring at the same time. If at the same time I'll do it for capital O, all I need to do is write A, the name of our string, dot count. And what I need to count is capital O, and if I run it, I'll get the output 1. Why? Because only one capital O is over here with us, right? Let's see the third part of this question. So the third part of this question says to write a program to convert the whole string into lower and uppercase. So all we need to do is to convert this whole string once for the lowercase and another time for the uppercase. Let's have a look on how it can be done. So to convert it into a lowercase, all we need to write is print a dot lower, and I'll open close the parentheses. As soon as I run it, you will notice that here capital W is here. We have capital W in when, capital B in born, and capital S in stand, and capital O in out. Everything over here has been converted into a lowercase with the help of our lower method. Similarly, we will be applying the upper method to it. So what I will be doing, I'll be writing print a dot upper and open close the parentheses, and as soon as I run it, I will receive a string over here where all the cases, all the letters are written in upper cases. Let's have a look on what is the next part of this question. So our next part of this question says to write a program to convert the lower cases into upper cases. So what we need to do, we need to convert, we need to use our swap case over here, which will convert the lower cases into the upper cases and upper cases into the lower cases. So all we need to do is write print a dot swap case. So swap case over here allows us to convert the lower case into the upper case and upper case into the lower case. Here W is in capital, W in when is also capital, and B, S and O is capital. If I run this program, all these capital letters will be converted into the small letters, and all the small lower cases letters are converted into the upper cases letters. So by the method of swap case, you can convert the cases. Now let's have a look on the last part of this question. So here our last part of this question says to write a program to find the index number of fit-in. So we inside this whole string, so guys, all we need to do is inside this whole string, we need to find where fit-in is coming. What is the index number of F over here? So guys, in this question, all we need to do is we need to find the index number of fit-in. That means where this F over here is coming. What is the index position of F over here? So we will be finding it with our string method. To find the index of a particular string or particular part of a string, all we need to write a dot find What we need to find, we need to find its index number. Whose index number we need to find? Fittin's index number we have to find, and as soon as I run it, I get 4. That F over here lies on number 4, that the index position of this part of the string is starting from number 4. So guys, these were small problems related to our string methods, and in our next session we will be discussing about more problems with our string methods. So stay connected and I'll see you in the next session. Thank you.